Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a chicken noodle soup, and for this I'm going to use some chicken breast, and this is some ginger. We're going to add in some salt, we add in a bit of white pepper powder. This is very famous in any Asian countries. You can now add in 4 cups of water. We add in some light soya sauce to this. Here I will be using 1 chicken stock. This is optional. If you want to add it, you can always add this. It gives an extra flavor to this soup. Once the chicken is cooked, we are going to remove this and we are going to shred it. Just use a fork and pull out the chicken into strips. So the chicken is ready. We can turn off the flame. And in another pan, we add in 4 cups of water, and we wait for this water to be hot, and then we are going to blanch in the bean sprouts. We're going to cook this for 2 minutes in this hot water. We don't want to overcook it, we still want it crunchy. After 2 minutes, we remove the bean sprouts and we keep this aside to be used later. In the same water, we are going to add in the rice noodles. These are the flat rice noodles. So we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. So the noodles are ready. We transfer this to a bowl. Now we pour in the chicken broth on the rice noodles. Now we add in the shredded chicken. Add in the bean sprouts. And we are going to add in some crispy garlic bites. You can check out my previous video on how to make these crispy garlic bites. And if you like it spicy, like me, I love it spicy, so I'm adding in some bird's eye chillies to this. And the rice noodle is ready. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For the full recipe, you can check out my description box. Happy cooking and bye for now.